Hi, today I'm doing a review of our Emerson 900 watt microwave. This has been a recent purchase of ours as we needed a microwave to do a handful of items for us quickly around the kitchen, and we liked its smaller size and its portability. We use some of the presets here, typically for popcorn, thawing meats and frozen foods. I will heat a quick cup of water for tea or a reheat of a dinner. Just open it right there on the bottom, and as you can see, it's your typical microwave. Removable plate and ring below for easy wash. It has suited our needs, and we highly recommend this microwave if you're looking for something small and portable.